This is a two-row Italian SUV from Alfa Romeo called Stelvio. This green clover found all over the car is not actually repping Ireland. It's going to tell other people that you're driving a Quadrifoglio. Quadrifoglio is the highest trim level that you can get on an Alfa Romeo, and with it, you're getting functional hood vents that are very important. And why is it important? Because you're getting a 2.9-liter turbocharged V6 engine that pushes out 405 horsepower. Let's take a minute and appreciate this paint color. It acts as a chameleon, going from midnight blue to a deep purple, depending on the sunlight. The super classy colors do not just stop there, by the way. You're getting red Brembo brake calipers behind this matte black 20-inch wheel. The interior is scaled up to max luxury. You're getting Harman Kardon for the sound system, 3 ways to save your seat positions, real carbon fiber inserts all over the car, and leather seats with an Alcantara middle. And if you don't know, Alcantara is this suede material. It's used in luxury and sports cars. It's super easy to clean and it's super durable. This flat bottom steering wheel just shows off the craftsmanship used by Alfa Romeo. First of all, the most unique start-stop button I've ever seen. True carbon fiber inserts and metal gear shifters on both sides. I really was not kidding, by the way, about all of the carbon fiber in this car. You're also getting an 8.8-inch touchscreen to make it a more modern feel. The legroom here in the back is actually a lot more than I expected. It's 31 inches and it's pretty comfortable to sit in. It comes with rear seat vents, 2 USB ports, and standard heated back seats. And if you are still a little bit iffy about the legroom, by the way, you're not going to feel very clustered when the sunroof goes all the way back behind your head. There's also plenty of trunk space in the back. It's 19 cubic feet with seats folded up, and if you want to fold the seats down, super easy, and it gives you 56 cubic feet. So I do want to thank AutoNation Chevrolet here in Orlando for letting me use this Alfa Romeo because it's so nice.